Before be ya womo e water male na watchra dear e wo kokozoli ye wo saboba mensimu wo northern region na ne womo so no fi se ye womo bridge e fa pamba ne saboba no enso na bua fasunti ama ebua edene e na womo etwa enso no won eje womo a ha womo adwenti woni Adom Kasee edi nkomwe
Asana nsuo ebebu nkamafa balba sutade no so no na ekwan no enye de nanso na akwantufo etumi ede motorbike ene ehyen efa kwan no so edi wono mo akone aba free saboba ekokpa ba etuam koyendi efise nsuo no eyiri fa so no manfo yi etuaga na sika no aduo no ansana wono mo a wode kodo ye adwuma ede wono matwa nsuo no nso manfo kirem se hawo kese ema wono mo pa akyekirefo bi a Ochirade e was saboba mensini mu eda na di se emfa ho sesesei ede eka foforo ababeto wono mo so no wono mo kwakora eda sane mu esan se wono mo tena kodo no so etwa nsuo no a wono enhye life jacket bia ne senti wono ma de atoke bi omufo nyina ene aban animu se womeboa wono se be ya oyune bia ensi wono mo krom ho no mo.
During rainy season like this, it's quite difficult to cross this bridge because when you come like this, you have to pay money before you cross the bridge, which is sometimes people even got drunk because of this. It's risky. We are risking our lives. Imagine coming all day from Tamale just to cross this bridge. Government can do something. Even our politicians, they should work something on it. We are pleading with the politicians to work on it so that we can be passing here peacefully.
We always find it difficult to pass here when we are going back to even when we are coming. And then you see here, like when you come, the money that they will charge you is not a small money. And you see, people even like today is Yendi market day, and then see how people will suffer before crossing this road. So we are pleading on stakeholders and the government. They should do something about this our road.
Jamont Solomon ede kuduo eye adwuma woni amani boni ehwehwe nkomo.
Yeah, life jacket. The life jacket no mo mind. I say and to see a moon nibi to see a nibi guarantee. To moon more time we there. Yeah, try. I maybe sure say if you are meaning in nama, no bit moon on to meet me. I maybe sure say me.
Ene ya meka say ene menimi ya no doli ya bridge no ya bie kakre bi sebe ya 24 ebetumi afa so afọ be de kire o hwe rose eso owura Thomas Mbomba na ekobia no bra wode chewpa ekoma na de hie fi se na nke wo se owura mo akonta wo yo so afọ nura na nke wo se wormo ya bibinti amaso de akoso ne Adom Kasee etwaso
so afọ bi de kire wo hwe akwan ene akwantempo so ene amani boni enkomo twetwe mu ene wo kire mu se contractor wo yi dole ekwan ene ne nsam so no ya ne din ene Maripoma Enterprise Limited wa ya de pa se wa ye adwuma anadwumu nyina se de be ya obetumi aye ensamso a enimanimu ya amafo ebetumi afaso edi akwaneaba e wo dole
mrete wa mo atimi at least mo aboa nipa akra ma mo timi akọ susu ne da mo ase ese ya I am pleading with them not to think that we are taking their work from them, so that they should cooperate. Say they be ya final.
Shenkani ba ko ejina shenkafo ni nyina anemu eda soafo no ase se waboa ama sesei akonya bedie eho aye mre ama manfo a wote savana mantamu hono
bona o share no in fact en kura ni nyame anim enso na antwi ntem because my 1 week na 1 week ni nyina ye wo som se obetimi aba be in fact am my temporal road cars no be in fact this time my stranded and ka obetimi afa so ansa na major work na nkasa abaso but 1 week no share no na nso no esa to bebre e ka wanti nso no in fact and see anko from sa but Nancy say in fact cars now in fact ya nyaji
science say wabi some so ato sutade ni so ntino wono mo an wode kodo eye adwuma wo ho no wono mo nyina afiri ho no mo